Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing. This time it is of MC's SD Nightingale. This is a third-party Gunpla kit, as I said, done by MC, and this kit is actually brought to you by our Toys Club. They are the only MC and Dragon Momoko authorized dealer in the US. I noticed that you guys really like my unboxings, work in progress, and reviews of third-party Gunpla kits. I thought I would get some more when I can afford it, and I would reach out to them. So go check them out, because they are awesome. After talking with them, they actually sent out this kit and another that day, and I had them in my hand within 2 days. And that is with the free shipping on all their third-party kits. So definitely check them out. Links on the screen now and in the description below. So let's look at the box and see what this kit holds. Obviously, this is the front. Really nice, cool box art. The side has a nice front and back shot of it, painted. This has a nice side shot. You got a really cool action shot of the Nightingale. It actually comes with a stand, which is really cool. And the same on the side. Let's get this guy open. It actually does come, all the pieces do come in a plastic bag. It's just really noisy and really crinkly when I was looking at the parts beforehand. But first off, what we see is that we get a really, really nicely done, really professionally done instruction manual. It is actually a gloss finish on all pages, completely in full color. Just simply well done. Also, quick shout out to my wife, who actually translated some of these bits for us, showing off what's like all the awesome stuff and everything. So she actually translated this part right here. What the main features of this kit is it features really detailed coloring on most parts, much like you see here. It's actually two colors. Like the thrusters are two colored parts, which is really nice because you usually only see that on a master grade kit. The funnels can be individually taken off. All the funnels on this kit are separate. It actually comes with LEDs. It actually comes with an LED. And it actually came with the batteries inside the kit, which I definitely have to applaud them for. That's really cool. Definitely awesome. The kit actually has an inner frame right here. It shows off the inner frame right here. This kit uses no poly caps whatsoever. And an SD kit having a inner frame. Awesome. It has great articulation without the use of polycaps. There are over 180 pieces, and overall this kit just has some amazing articulation. So they actually show you how to do the LED on the top part. It's still really nicely done. Instruction manual. I'm liking it a lot. Really nice, very, very good detail artwork. Very clear instructions. Very nicely done. And then the sticker sheet, which you'll see, but shows where the decals go and everything like that. And then we have the story of on the bottom, we have the story of the Nightingale, which I actually will put up front here. There you go. I'll leave it there for a second So you can pause the video, and there you go, all done. So now let's get right down to it. First, we have the A runner with the wing binders and the back skirt. We got the body right here. It's actually a piece that goes right here. It just fell off. It's actually the front part. It's actually the front part of the body. We have the shield. From what I expected on these parts, there's no flash whatsoever. So, still a really cool detail on the bottom. It's lots and lots of red parts. So hopefully these are actually getting focused on correctly because of all the red. Okay, there we go. The my Lumia 1020 was started to become really hot because it was trying to autofocus constantly and it couldn't focus on any of the parts. So I stopped recording, try to focus, make it focus on one thing, and then it just became too hot and it wouldn't record. So I had to wait a few minutes. But now, since I tried the manual focus, hopefully it looks really nice. Let's get back down to it. I also put a white background on here because it was just all red before. So, like I said, this is the B runner. We have parts of the body, parts of the shoulders right here. Some red. I'm not sure what parts these are, but these are the V fins. Some vents. This is the top of where the LED goes. You can actually twist it and it'll turn on and off. And here's some thrusters. Then we have some of the crotch pieces right here. We got arms, legs. I think that's part of the arm. Still, these pieces are very nicely detailed. No flash I've seen whatsoever. Very clean pieces. You can see that the plastic is a slight lower quality than Bandai's, but otherwise it looks perfectly fine. It looks amazing. It looks like it's gonna be a sturdy kit. So that's good. Next up, we actually have the only thing that I wanted to keep in the bag is the decal sheet, the stand, and the LED with the 3 batteries that they actually give you when you're doing everything. So, looks really good. You got some now we actually go on to some of the thrusters, the feet parts, the arm parts, and then we have some of the fin funnels right here. So, looking really nice. They actually have some detail underneath for the fin funnels. Then we have the D runner, which this is for the underside of the wing binders. This is for the shoulders. Then we have the thrusters, some more thrusters, the arm parts, arm joints. So, like I said, this kit does not have any polycaps whatsoever. Sorry, at some points that is slightly blurry. It's just, as I just said, my thing that I usually take pictures of with this video, like video of what I'm doing, has been acting up as of late, very much so. So I had to do manual focus, and it does not autofocus whatsoever. Oop. Here's that body part I told you about before that came off the runner. So put it back in the box so don't lose it. Here we go. There have the hands. More hands, more hands. Some joints, it looks like. body piece. I think these are for the arms. So really good detailing. We got the gun. You got the shield bit. And I think these are for the bottom of the feet. And now here we go on to the tanks. These are, I believe, the fuel tanks for the Nightingale. And then we have these. They came in the box. No clue what they're from. I think these are for the binders if you want to make them look like they're shooting off and flying around and stuff like that. So, pretty sure that's what they're for, but I'm not 100% sure. That's pretty much it for the unboxing of MC's MSN 0402 Nightingale. This will be the next third-party kit that I'm doing. So definitely look forward to that. I will be painting some of this on stream, much like I'm doing with the new Gundam. But expect a weekly work in progress update on this kit as well. It's just this one shouldn't take as long as the others. So, until next time, guys, don't forget to check out our Toys Club. Link is on the video and in the description below. Awesome service, free shipping on any of the kits. Prices are quite good for what the third-party kits are. Usually, third-party kits are quite expensive. They have really good prices. So until next time, guys, keep building and keep playing.